How to make a creamy and delicious ice buko. Ingredients and materials. Kinayod na buko. All-purpose cream. Condensed milk. Red beans or monggo. 100 ml buko juice. Small paper cups. Aluminum foil. Popsicle sticks. Pour in the condensed milk in a bowl. Then ihalo ang cream. Mix them together. Make sure to mix them thoroughly para di magbubuo ang cream. Then ihalo ang kinayod na buko. Ilagay ang buko juice. After ma-mix ng maayos, i-prepare ang munggo beans sa paper cups. It's up to you kung gaano karami ang gusto nyong beans, pero I recommend about 2 teaspoons. Then ilagay ang na-mix na buko. After that, ilagay ang aluminum foil to cover the paper cups. Make sure na well-sealed ang cups. Then lagyan ng small cut ang middle ng foil, enough lang para magkasya ang popsicle stick. And finally, ilagay ang popsicle stick. Once done, ilagay sa freezer and leave it for a minimum of 4 hours. Para matanggal ang ice buko sa paper cup, basain ang labas ng paper cup. Then pull out the ice buko carefully. And that's it. A delicious ice buko is now ready.